Hey guys, it's Appalachian ADV Rider here, coming to you with a video on this knife and changing the scales in this knife. Spyderco Shaman, love this knife. I understand now why everybody raves about this knife. It's just great, and the weight's not bad. Let's see what the weight is. That's grams. I don't care about grams, but maybe you do. Put this over here where you can see it. 145 grams, 5.1 ounces. So, in my opinion, not a real heavy knife, but it is what it is. Okay. So, I like it, but I like titanium. So, guess what I got? Whoops. Got this. We're going to do this live. Doing it live. Flytanium. So I've had this for quite a while. I'm just getting around now to putting it on there. Got a little bit of time. If you're following my adventures, you might have heard that got laid off at 60, and I'm considering what to do next. So right now, I'm looking for another job or whatever, and I've got time. So here's the scales. Here's your knife. Here's the tools. Let's get started. So what do we have here? I don't know what to do first. Well, I'm going to have to take off everything. So I'm going to start with the scales, right? I mean, with the clip. I'm sorry if I'm hiding back there. Let's see. All right, I just got to remember just not to go below here. All right. So what we're going to do, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take off the scales. So we have to take that off. So here we go. This is the clip is a T6. So, T6. That was super easy. They were barely on there. Okay. These are, all of them are in there pretty easy. Not very tight at all. Sorry if I disappear off the screen. All right, so that's that. Now, that's the only T6 on here, on this knife. Now we have T10. Oh, so not a T10. Now we have T8. This is what I want. I want to do these guys first. T8. All right, we can take one side off, then take the other side off. Oh, this goes into a back spacer. All right. I haven't really paid attention to this construction of this knife until now. We're just doing this live. Ooh, check that out. That must be Loctite in there or something. I talked right through that, but it made like a little cracking sound. Blue? Oh, is that blue Loctite? Anyway, we will find out. We're pulling it out, and we're going to find out. We don't need to speculate. All right, I'm just going to do one side first. So that's out. I mean, it's just not falling out. And then, let's see. Try the pivot. Ooh, that's in there good. Ooh, there we go. All right. It was in there okay. I don't know. We'll find out. We'll look at the screw. I don't think it was Loctited, or if it was just a damn. Yeah, it was. It wasn't bad, though, getting it out. All right, now what? It's hard to see with this camera in front of me, so I apologize. That sounds gritty. Okay. The pin must be holding this in. That does sound gritty. It's getting nervous. This knife is super duper sharp. I don't want to mess with it. Oh, I might have to take this pivot out too. Duh. All right, 2 pivot screws. Bang, bang. I'm going to take the knife out. I just want to take this blade away. Okay. It's got a pivot collar. Okay, washer. That gritty sound was that Loctite. All right. Let's see. What do we have here? I wonder, these, I guess this metal stuff. Scales go in there. Let's just substitute it and see. I should have watched a video, right? Of what I was doing. But can't be that hard, can it? Yeah, put this knife. This blade is super duper sharp. Put that off to the side. All right, man, it's so hard to see with this stupid thing. This has to go here because it has to keep its shape. Huh. Maybe I should watch a video. Is this like in there permanently and that's it? I don't need to do no, because here's a lock bar. The lock bar's got to go in that one. So all right. So how does this come out? I'm gonna have to watch a video. I don't want to like He-Man this. Oh, here we go. Just get nervous of messing it up. Just trying to be careful. Probably should have a tool with me, which I don't. Yeah, let me pause this. I'm gonna get something. Okay, I'm back. I watched the video and it just popped out. So I went to do this one and it's just popping right out. See, the scale just fell right out. So the other one just must be, I gotta play with it. So it's just one of those things where it just happens to be hard or something. I don't know. I'm going to put these back in here so I don't lose them. There's definitely Loctite in there, though. You know what? I'm not going to mess with that. Here you go. 4 body screws. The back spacer. This thing came right out. So this one... Okay. I'm going to do that. Got Loctite in it. Guess I could put it back in there. I'm not going to put Loctite for now. Might not need it. Spyderco's known for that. They don't want you to touch their stuff. But I won't touch it once I do this. It's going to change the scale. Let's see, it went from 5.2 ounces when I measured it to, let's see what it comes to. I'm not going to He-Man it. Just get in there. And there we go. Okay, put that there. This one went here. You can see where it's wearing in, how it leveled one side. And then that's the pivot collar. Right? I think. Oh yeah. It's cool. cool. Just curious. Okay, that's that. That's the pin. All right. Now, it's this guy. All right. I don't know if I'm gonna manhandle it. So basically, this thing is in there pretty good. I'm gonna get another screwdriver. All right. Okay. Went down, got a screwdriver, put some tape on there. See if I can get in there. I just don't want to. I want to break it. Where is, here we go. Put that in there. There we go. Look at that. All right. Done with that. Done with that. Beautiful. That's a beautiful thing. We got that. We got the washer. All right. Now, how are we going to do this? Here's the blade. That makes more sense. Yeah, all right. That makes more sense. All right. Well, trying to figure it out. That goes in there. That goes in there. Is that right? Almost looks like it has a flat there. Oh, but it's almost looks like it has a flat. And there's a flat here. So there's a flat. All right, so the flat needs to be up, and I might have had it down because I didn't see it before. All right, so let's try this again. And then the flat side is going to be up. All right, there we go. Flat side up. Flat side up. Wow. Talk about winging it. And this puppy goes in there. That goes there. Except I want the... There's a flat side. Oh. Wow. Be amazed if I got that right. Okay. Well, that looks like that's the way it should be. Got to get the pin in there. Oh, there we go. Okay. Hopefully I'm getting this on the camera because I'm just so focused on just trying to get this thing together. It's not going in straight. Oh, is that because of all the Loctite? Might be. I don't know. Should I put this back first? Let's try that. T8. All right. T8. And then that one. So you back it out a little bit, find the groove, and then you go in with it. Yeah. All right. Now this guy and that guy. Oh, so that's not in there. Good. Okay. Am I in the picture? Okay, I'm in the picture. You know, I don't need this thing. All right. That's off center. Try to get it centered. Let's just turn one side and see what happens. That looks pretty centered to me. Oh, man, I like it. I like it. All right, we're going to play with that later off camera. Oh, I got to finish this. And then, so what is the pocket clip? So this is a pocket clips goes there. Maybe I'll put some Loctite on this one. No, this didn't have any. So I'm not going to do it. I guess they'll let you change the pocket clip, no problem. They're not going to void your warranty if you change your pocket clip. Man, these aren't going in good. Why is that? Why aren't these going in? Okay, guys, I'm back. What I did was I loosened up the two screws. Excuse me. I loosened up these two screws. Nope. These two screws that are on the same side as this, and maybe that would adjust that liner in there. And I put one screw in there, and it went in really well. So let's try this. That might have been it. You don't want to tighten everything down gorilla tight until you're, you see that's going in nice now, until you're all squared away. Yeah, that's much better. I'm glad I did that. That's awesome. I will get these in there. I'm going to finish tightening these up offline, but well, why not just finish it? And then I'm going to weigh it. I already like this knife more. I always liked it, but let's see what it weighs. Went from 5.2 ounces to what? I know some of you guys are like, think I'm crazy. And I know some of you guys don't. So, but either way, I don't think I'm crazy. I'm doing what I think. Yep, so 6.6. So it added 1.4 ounces of just heaven. So 5.2 to 6.6, or 188 grams. Yeah, I like it. Wow, that's perfect. Giddy up. All right, well, hey, listen, thank you for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't like it. I've got a lot of other content. Don't forget to search the playlist. I've got motorcycle content, camping content. We're going to have gear reviews one day soon. I've got tons and tons of camping gear and motorcycle gear and whatnot. And I have so much more knife content. So anyway, thank you again for joining me. This is the Flytanium scales. They were called, here's the name, Flytanium Lotus. That's the design, this Lotus design. I'm not sure if they have, multiple designs. I forgot. I looked, but this is what I got. All right, thanks again. I will talk to you soon. Bye.